Oh, damn.
Whoa! Where do you think you're going? Say it fast.
Gotta hang him.
Oh my god, dude.
Who wants to do this guy?
Oh, what's this guy?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Alright.
All right. The scene is locked down and civilians have evacuated, requesting backup at the Nerma station. It's a sea cucumber devil. Sea cucumber devil. Huh? I said
Nice.
the sea. Cumber.
Alright, Sleepus.
I did it. I hung him. The glorious mother.
Sleepus, you gotta laugh. Sleepus, you gotta laugh. Sleepus, you gotta laugh. Alright. That's Makima. Burrito.
Oh, sorry, hold on. I'm still laughing. It's considered obstruction of justice when a public safety hunter kills a devil a civilian hunter is already engaged with. Normally, you'd get arrested for it. Power,
Burrito.
to think a little more before you act. And you, Denji, you need to keep her under control.
Really? You're blaming me too?
Power, since you were the blood devil before you became a fiend, battling using your blood is your specialty. But you're so excitable. Maybe you weren't cut out to be a devil hunter?
Except this monkey said he'd to kill it. He did it.
I never said that. Not even close. I really
God,
Me
dude.
to do it. Devils can't lie. Only humans lie.
That's not a thing. You're the proof, stupid face. You lying liar.
Niggas tell nasty lies. That's how I was told. 'Tis true.
Quit talking all weird to sound cooler than you are. It's so creepy.
Can you be quiet? You're fucking annoying.
I can.
Huh?
Good girl, Power. Honestly, I don't care really which of you was at fault. I want to see big things from you two. Do you think you can show me that?
I'll show you.
Maybe it's not time to be thinking about touching boobs. Game that has our drinks like a dream come. But if we keep screwing up, it'll be way worse than not even have soft drinks anymore. Still, I can't work with some liar chick. Sleepus.
Oh, my bad. I hate blacks. Not because they
Oh
hate
my
me.
god.
It's like a devil. Oh, wait, no. It's like a Klansman instinct. I just do.
Wait, real quick. I think for reference, just to make sure, because this is being recorded, Sleepless is black.
Yeah,
Just
he is
to make-
Oh,
he
yeah.
is-
Sleepus is doing this fully consented.
yeah.
Well, it's his choice, actually.
It's his choice. We even told him to do any of this.
All right, Sleepus, go.
Yeah, I hate the Klan too because a Klansman made off with my pet Meowie. Makima told me before I could get Meowie back. Meowie might already be dead, but I can't give up. If I could get Meowie back from that Klansman, I'd do anything. Even ally with a black. I doubt you'd understand such a sentiment for a life of a cat.
For a cat? That's stupid. I'd do anything to sell some boobs, though. Sleepless.
Sure enough, I can't comprehend blacks.
Oh, but if it was a dog, I might get it.
What if I said I'd let you grope me if you got Meowie back from that devil for me?
That damn devil!
Oh,
How dare they? How dare they kidnap a poor cat?
oh,
That's totally unforgivable, right?
yeah,
As a devil hunter, I can't let them get away with it.
yeah.
I'll murderize that devil.